Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette, a place where you can find easy, healthy, home-cooked recipe. To all my followers, thank you for your continued supports, and to those new here, welcome to my channel. Today I prepare an easy, delicious, well-known Filipino dish, which is Pancit Palabok. Write in the comment your name and country to be able to greet and thank you to my next video. Don't forget to check the descriptions of this video, where you can find kitchenware and kitchen utensils which are for sale. To begin, chop 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Then chopped 1 medium size of onion that cut into cubes. Your feedback helps my channel grow. Write in the comment your views. If you don't like cutting onion because it tears you out, then wash it first before cutting. In a heated pan with cooking oil, sauté the garlic and onion. Continue of stirring until the aroma comes out. Once the garlic and onion are sauté, then add 100 grams of minced pork. Keep on stirring for 2 minutes or until the minced pork is cooked. For the flavors, we need 1 tablespoon of achuet powder, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, then mix well. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. Don't forget to check the description of this video where you can see those kitchenwares and kitchen utensils that are for sale. If you buy from those kitchen utensils, it's a way of helping this channel to continue make video recipe. Now the minced pork is done. We can remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the other side from the kitchen, since the shrimps are already clean, we just remove the shell or skin. To Ameth of Canada, Oscar of Dubai, Nohor of Pakistan, Marlin of Philippines, thank you for your continued supports in my channel. Once the shrimps are clean, add a pinch of salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix well, then fry and set aside. I hope you can still follow the recipe. Actually, this recipe is just easy, but it needs a lot of steps to do it. But once you do it at least one time, it will be simple already. Just one tip: prepare first all the ingredients before you start cooking it. Now we can remove the shrimps and set them aside. Next step, in a saucepan add 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of achuet powder, 1/4 tablespoon of pepper, and a pinch of salt. Using whisker, mix all the ingredients. Then add 1 cup of water while continue mixing it. Don't put the water at one time, but put it 3 to 4 times while mixing. Then put it into a heat and still continue mixing it. Don't let it along because the flour will easily separate from the water. It will easily submerge down and burn the bottom of the saucepan. Continue on stirring while cooking. This may take 3 to 5 minutes. Once the mixture is thickened, then you can turn off the heat and still continue mixing for another 1 minute. In a bowl with water, have a 10 grams of rice noodles. You can cut it into 2. Then let it soak for 10 minutes. We can start boiling a cup of water in a saucepan. Once the water starts boiling, add the rice noodles and let it cook for 2 minutes. The most important with this recipe is the sauce. It is the sauce that carries the flavors and taste of the whole recipe. Now put the noodles into the boiling water for 2 minutes. Pancit Palabok is a traditional Filipino dish consisting of thin rice noodles doused in a creamy shrimp-infused sauce and complemented with various toppings such as hard-boiled eggs, pork cracklings, shrimps, pork, fish flakes, and scallions. As toppings, add first the sauce, then the minced pork, some pork chicharron, shrimps, scallions, and the hard-boiled egg. Pancit Palabok with rice noodles, flavorful shrimp gravy, and assorted toppings makes a delicious midday snack or main meal and is sure to be a family favorite. Perfect for gatherings and special occasions. Once again to Ameth of Canada, Oscar of Dubai, Nohor of Pakistan, and Marlin of Philippines. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.